Did you know that the number of cryptocurrency users has skyrocketed to over 300 million in 2024? That's a mind-blowing increase that shows just how fast this digital revolution is taking over our financial landscape. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency wallets. If you're new to crypto or just looking to upgrade your security, knowing the right wallet to use is crucial. These wallets are like digital safes, ensuring your precious assets are locked up tight. So, let's talk about the challenges you might face when choosing the right cryptocurrency wallet. With so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming. Security is a huge concern. After all, you don't want to lose your hard-earned coins to hackers, right? Plus, you've got to think about accessibility. Some wallets are super user-friendly, while others may require a degree in tech wizardry just to set up. And then there's the question of features. Do you need a wallet that supports multiple cryptocurrencies, or just one? All these factors can make the decision tricky, so it's essential to know what you're looking for. Alright, let's explore the top cryptocurrency wallets of 2024. First up, we have Exodus Wallet. This one is perfect for beginners. It's got an intuitive interface and supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies. The downside? It's not open source, which means we can't fully verify its security. Next, we've got Ledger Nano X. This is a hardware wallet, so you know it's secure. It stores your private keys offline, making it super hard for hackers to access. However, it's more complex to set up and comes at a higher price point. Then there's Coinbase Wallet. It's user-friendly and integrates seamlessly with the Coinbase exchange. However, it's important to note that it's not as private as some other options since it's linked to your Coinbase account. Lastly, we can't forget about Trezor Model T. This hardware wallet is another solid choice for security, featuring a touchscreen for easier navigation. However, like the Ledger, it comes with a price tag that might not be suitable for everyone. Each of these wallets has its pros and cons, so it's all about finding what fits your needs best. Now, here's the moment you've been waiting for. My top pick for the best cryptocurrency wallet of 2024 is the Ledger Nano X. Why, you ask? Well, its top-notch security features really set it apart. With offline storage, Bluetooth capability, and support for over 1,800 cryptocurrencies, it covers all the bases. Plus, even if you're a newbie, the setup process is straightforward enough to get you going without too much hassle. It tackles those common user concerns about security and accessibility, making it a fantastic choice for both beginners and seasoned crypto holders alike. To wrap it all up, we've explored some of the best cryptocurrency wallets this year. Whether you're leaning towards the user-friendly Exodus, the highly secure Ledger Nano X, or the convenient Coinbase wallet, there's a wallet out there that fits your needs. Choosing the right wallet is crucial for keeping your digital assets secure and ensuring a smooth user experience. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your experience with cryptocurrency wallets? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out my other videos for more crypto insights. Until next time, happy investing!